Hi, ma'am. Good
Hi.
evening.
Good evening. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing great, ma'am. Thanks for asking. And how are you doing, ma'am?
I'm also doing good. Anything special about your day?
Nothing special. Yeah, it is normal day, and yeah, it's going good, ma'am.
Doing good. All right. Okay. Right. Before I proceed ahead, do you happen to have any sort of doubts, queries, questions, anything you wish to ask or clarify?
Not now, ma'am.
All right. Okay. Right. So if you have no doubts, then I'm going to proceed ahead with our topic for today. Right. Okay. Right. Before I do that, I'll just let you know our topic for today is technology. So I'll start with that. But at any point, if the topic gets boring for you or you want to talk about something else, you can let me know. I'll change the topic. Right.
Yeah, ma'am. It seems boring to me also. It's technology and robot. I don't know much about this thing.
All right. Okay.
So that is the
Fair
reason.
enough.
Like, I just want to know, ma'am, from your side, like, if you have any specific things or uh, like any hypothetical question, if you can ask me, so it's better for me.
Hypothetical question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That sounds interesting. Hypothetical question. Hmm. Okay. What is your dream job?
Yeah, my dream
Not
job.
something that you have to do for money or anything. Like, just forget about the money or the working hours and everything. What is something that you dream of doing? What is your dream job?
But okay, so it should be job also. It is
Doesn't have to be a
mandatory to.
job. Anything. Anything.
Okay, it
Could
can
be
be
anything.
anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to travel a lot. So
Hmm.
yeah, it is my dream job. You can say, ma'am. Not job.
Hmm.
Yeah, I just want to explore all over India, and maybe if I get chance to go outside also. So I want to visit all over India, or like outside also, like apart from India.
Hmm. Fair enough. Okay. Right. So, okay. If you do get the chance to travel, what's the first place you want to go to?
Yeah. So first place is in my mind now. I just want to go Himachal first, Himachal Pradesh
Uh-huh.
or Jammu Kashmir, or there are a lot of places I have just seen on YouTube video or something like that. Yeah. So
Hmm.
I just want to go first Jammu Kashmir. Then I just want to cover south part also, south part, and
Hmm.
then northeast side. There are seven sister in north side also. So I just want to leave their personal like how they live and. uh, I just want to leave their own culture. Like they have their own culture. Every new state they have their own culture, and they have related to their something like that. So I just want to leave that too. But it's too tough to explore everything. But yeah, if I get chance for 1 week, 2 weeks, so surely I will want to visit there.
Yeah. So you said first is Himachal, right?
Yeah, Himachal Pradesh. Yeah, Himachal,
Yeah.
Jammu Kashmir side. Yeah,
Jammu Kashmir in the northern side. Okay.
yeah.
Fair enough.
And
Right. So
originally
have
I'm
you?
from Uttarakhand. I'm
Oh,
also from Uttarakhand, so I explore everything in Uttarakhand too. Recently, I went to some places of Uttarakhand. So now is my yeah. I just want to go in Himachal side now. It is my
fair.
next place.
Right. So you have already had the chance to experience the mountains, right?
Yeah. Because it has been I have completed my 12th from Uttarakhand only, and it has
Ah.
been 6 years. I have been living in Delhi now.
Oh, so Delhi is like such a downgrade if you've stayed in
Yes,
Uttarakhand, I
yes,
feel like. Like
yeah.
I know Delhi has all the facilities. I live in Delhi as well. So yeah, I know it
Mhm.
has all the facilities and everything. The modern
Right.
facilities, if I may. But
Yeah.
it lacks in terms of nature and people and like everyone's too busy and the life is always running. It's too hectic sometimes. There's no break. You can't catch a break in Delhi.
Right.
So that way it can be a little problematic. So yeah, everyone I think
Yeah.
misses traveling here.
Yeah,
So
right,
yeah,
right, right. But
that's
yeah, if you
that.
get a chance, like in a week, like monthly, you need to visit some places, I think. If you are living in
Yeah.
Delhi, so you need some break within a
Hmm.
month.
Yeah. That's for sure. Everyone needs a
Yeah,
break once in a while, I feel like,
yeah,
because Delhi is just too hectic as a place, I feel like. So,
right,
yeah,
right,
once in a while, you just need to catch a break from here. It's quite hard
right.
though, because Delhi does not allow you even that much. People here are too busy. Your jobs and the working environment and everything is too busy to you for you to like catch a break. So even for like taking
Right.
a holiday, you need to give 11 applications that I need a 2 day
Right.
holiday. So
Yeah. Yeah,
yeah,
I also do job here. So it's too
yeah,
tough to take a leave for a one day only. Yeah, if you
yeah.
are taking a one day leave, so you need to do a lot of effort, and like 1 month before you need to update them ki this day I'm just going to on leave. So please approve
Yeah,
my leave like that. One day before,
and I
one
don't
one
know,
month
they
before.
exactly. And they don't understand the concept of getting tired, like they don't understand that sometimes, like, let's say I've been working for 2, 3 months on a continuous basis. So maybe
Right,
I'm not sick physically, but I'm mentally tired and I need a break, right? So
right,
they
right.
don't consider that, like, that I just need a 2 day holiday suddenly also. They're like, no, you can't take it. Like they on your face, they say, no, you can't take it. It's
Right.
heartbreaking, but that's just how they function and work, sadly. Um,
Yes.
but
There are
yeah,
a lot of
quite sad.
company, like if you work in IT company, so yeah, there are 5 days working, or but there are a lot of company they worked like in 7 days in the week.
Saturday also, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, like in IT company, or like if you are working with good company, then I think you will get 2 leave in a week. And
yeah,
apart from them, if you are working in hotel industry or any manufacturing company, or
yeah,
so yeah, there is too tough to take a leave for a one day also there in hotel
yeah.
industry
That's true.
especially.
Yeah, in hotel industry, are you working in the hotel industry?
No,
You
no,
sound
earlier
quite familiar.
I used to work in
Oh,
hotel
you have
industry.
worked
I'm
with them.
Yeah,
Ah,
now I'm working IT recruitment. I'm working as a IT recruiter too now.
ah, okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
So, do you get Saturdays and Sundays off at least? Like, are your
Yeah,
weekends
yeah,
off?
yeah, yeah. Now I
Thankfully,
yes,
yeah. But even after that, I think sometimes it can be tiring. Like, I understand that Saturdays and Sundays are off, but Monday to Friday, they give you so much work that Saturday, Sunday is not enough for rest. And on
yeah,
Saturdays and Sundays, yes, you are at home. You don't have to go to office. But there are tens or thousands of different types of work that you need to do on Saturdays and Sundays. So it
right.
doesn't feel like it's an off. You're still working. If
Yes,
not on
yes, yes.
office thing, then on personal things. So yeah, it doesn't feel
Yeah, in
like
a
a break at
weekly
all.
one day you need for yourself also. All the
Yeah.
things, like if you want, if you have, like if you are living alone here, so everything need to manage, and maybe there are a lot of work. So yeah, it's
Yeah,
too hectic.
that's true.
Yes.
Exactly. It's just, yeah, that's true. But can be very tiring. That is what I've learned about work, especially in like being in Delhi. So yeah. Uh, but regardless, fair enough. Right. So how has your experience been? Sometimes do you just wish to run back to Uttarakhand?
Yeah, I often visit once I get the chance, and I visit my place Uttarakhand, and I try to visit in every Sunday. Every Sunday I plan to go somewhere. Like there are a lot of places in Delhi also, but not,
Yeah.
it is too crowd. Every if you go somewhere, so everywhere in crowd area. So I don't like crowd areas too. But yeah, whenever I get to chance, Sunday I try to go somewhere, like maybe in park. Like there are a lot of park in Delhi also, and
Yeah.
yeah, there are a lot of places too. So I try to visit every Sunday also, because it's get relaxed. Yeah, it's feel ki today is Sunday. Otherwise, if you live in home, so it's feel, yeah, every day you are living, because I'm doing work from home also. So
Yeah.
so it's
Oh, you're
tough.
doing work from home?
Yeah, it is alternative system now. I'm working as a hybrid mode.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
So do you like this hybrid mode or do you prefer going everyday office or staying
No, no,
home
hybrid
properly?
mode is fine for me now.
Ah, you've gotten used to it.
Yes, yes, yes. Because my office is too near to my house. Also, there is only, I think, a 15-minute far from my place to that place,
Huh.
my office.
Then it's close. If your
Yeah.
office is, this is the biggest benefit in Delhi if your office is close to your house, I think.
Yes, yes.
Otherwise, the residential areas are just too far. So, yeah, can be a little problematic. But
Right.
yeah, if it's nearby, if it's close by, then that's the best that you can get out of it. Oh, but fair enough.
Yes.
Ah, all right. But yeah, I can understand the work pressure and everything. Anybody you see in Delhi, nobody's happy from their like office. Something their boss has done to them that annoys them all
Yeah.
the time. So yeah, I think having a good boss is also a blessing in Delhi. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Right.
that.
Right.
Do you have a good boss or is your boss also shitty?
Yeah. I have a very good boss. He listened
Oh
to me.
yay!
Every.
Wow, that's nice.
Mm.
That's like a
Because
very
I'm.
for the very first time I'm listening.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I'm working as a team leader too.
Uh-huh.
So yeah. Yeah, it's too comfortable for me. Like that is the reasons I have been working in this company like last 3 years.
Mhm.
So I'm living in comfort zone now.
Now you're just
So
happy with it.
yes, 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 yes. So that is the reasons I'm just thinking in comfort zone. I need to do something special, so it would help me in future also.
But that's
Because
not bad. That's okay to be in your comfort zone and work. That's also good. It's very hard to find comfort zones also these days. So if you do find it,
yeah,
it's good to keep it.
yeah, yeah, right, right. But it's fine for me. Here I'm feeling comfortable, or I don't know. This the company environment is good here. Good here.
Ah, okay. Right. But do you plan on shifting somewhere else, like state-wise? Because I know a lot of people have shifted from Delhi simply because of the pollution and everything also. Like a lot of people just got tired of how bustling the city is. Not that it's better anywhere else, but yeah, still people have shifted
But
because of that.
uh, if I tell you true, like if you live in Delhi, like
Hmm.
minimum 2 to 3 years, so you will not
Hmm.
go from here because you
Ah,
get everything here, right? Even
yeah,
our prime minister and our every politician peoples are also living here. Why? Because they are getting a good facility here. If you need to, like if you want to fresh your mood, so Delhi is a good place to freshing your mood. You will not get
yeah,
anywhere. Like if you go Uttarakhand, so maybe someday you will love to live there, but after some time you will get bored from here there also. So yeah, I just want to go my Uttarakhand for a week, maximum 1 week. Not
yeah. Just to relax yourself.
yeah, 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 yeah. But yeah, I it's fine for me. Delhi is it's good, no problem.
Yeah, that I can understand. I think everybody wants to like just go out of Delhi for a break and then come back to Delhi because, as I said, the kind of comfort you get here in terms of all the modern facilities, you don't get it anywhere else. So
Right,
people
right,
do
right.
wish to come back here, but sometimes it can just get tiring and boring. So people need a break that, like you said, that for 1 week you
Yeah,
just want to go to
one
the
week movie.
mountains or
Yeah,
a
yeah,
beach area just to relax a bit and then maybe come back. So yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Because
that's that.
after some time you will get bored from there also. It's I
From
personally
there
feel
also.
this thing. That is the reasons I'm telling.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true actually. Somebody who has traveled for long term, long number of days, they understand this. Like I remember, this one time we all got very excited, and like I was still a young child at that time. We got very excited, and we were like, for 15-20 days we'll go and stay in Himachal because my dad's schooling was there. So he was very closely attached to the place, and we were like, okay, yeah, for sure, let's go there. And we went there for like around 18 days trip it was, and it was a lot of us, like not just our family but my dad's friends and their families also. So quite a good number of people. But even after that, the first week was very enjoyable. We were
Yeah.
all like, super having fun and playing cards all day and everything. After 1 week we all started to get bored of it because there was nothing to do, we realized, right? So
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, there are
there's no
some
work
places
and
if you have
everything,
explored
so
everything,
yeah.
then you will find, yeah, nothing is there. Yeah, I need to come back to my place again.
Yeah. And some of these places, 1 week is more than enough to explore them, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So if
yeah,
you go
yeah.
to
One.
Dharamshala or if you go to Shimla, if you go to Chel, these kind of small places in Himachal, 1 week is more than enough to explore it entirely.
Right, right, right.
Like you
Yeah.
will know each and every part of that town within 1 week. There's nothing
Yes,
else
yes.
to do.
Yeah, yeah.
So
But
yeah.
yeah, for more like if you want to if you don't have house there, so it is too expensive places also, because I feel that I
Yeah.
have heard, like if I visit some places in near to Uttarakhand also, like
Hmm.
there are too costly places, like there are in 100 kilometers, if you need to go 100 kilometer, like sorry 20 kilometer, so you
Hmm.
need to give huge amount to them. It means like 500 rupees for 10 kilometer, 500 rupees,
Yeah.
500 rupees, then again 10 kilometer. So it's too
Yeah.
expensive there also. If you want, if you are like visiting some place also, yeah. So for that, you should have very good money also.
Yeah. That's true.
Yeah,
That's true. I mean, hotels in general are expensive, and if you're there for a long time, then yeah, it can be extremely expensive that
yes,
way.
yes.
So,
So I
possible.
think, ma'am, I do have a very less time. So I just want to know
Yeah.
what my feedback also. Uh,
Yeah, as
yeah.
for the feedback, let me get to it. Okay, as for the feedbacks, yeah, I don't notice a lot of grammatical mistakes. Just prepositions are something that you need to focus on. Your tenses are perfectly fine. You need not worry about those. So the grammatical part of it is, I think, something that you're good with. Just the vocab, I would say, try to focus on the vocab, because when you're talking right now, you're using all the words that you require to express yourself. But in terms of business English, or in terms of business communication, you can get better with your terminology, right? There's
Right,
always a
right.
scope for vocab, right? There's no ending for vocab. I'll suggest you quite a few places where you can look into it. That and modulation of voice. So vocabulary as well as modulation of voice are two things that you can work on. When I say modulation of voice, it means bringing your voice high or low as per the topic that you're talking about, right? Usually when
Yeah,
we talk, if you're talking about something very serious, or if you're talking about something that is like, giving instructions to others, then
mhm,
maintaining a certain pitch of voice is good.
mhm.
But if you're talking about an incident, when you're using anecdotes and everything, then the highs and the lows in your voice and your pitch really matter,
Okay.
right? So just
Got it, got
work
it.
on that. Even on YouTube, if you just put modulation of voice, you'll get plenty of videos that can help you out, and that'll give you, since we have very less time, I can't give you a proper idea, but you can
Mhm.
search it up on YouTube, and in case you're facing any errors, you can bring it back to us, right? But I will share a link with you regarding business communication that might help you in terms of understanding exactly what I'm talking about.
Mhm.
um okay, and there's a channel that I usually recommend to most of my clients, which is Speak English with Vanessa. Try to check that out on
Vanessa.
YouTube.
Yeah,
She
I
makes
also watched this.
videos all about spoken English, right? All her
Yeah,
videos
earlier
are
I
about
used to watch
spoken
this
English.
video, Vanessa. I used to watch
Yeah,
this video also.
she has made a lot of videos regarding fillers. I usually recommend people to watch those, because when we are talking, a lot of the times we use fillers like words like oh. We use a lot of those. Like once in a while, it's fine because you're taking break from one idea to another. But if it's
Mhm.
happening twice or thrice in one sentence only, then it's a little problematic. It can make you seem underconfident, right? You don't
Right.
use that many fillers though. It's just very minimal usage of fillers, but obviously you can still improve it